Now here we are going to understand the difference between while loop and for loop. Here both the syntaxes is there. This is for while loop. This syntax is for while loop and this syntax is for loop. There is two syntaxes. Both are entry conditional control structures. Entry control statements. Okay, entry control statements. So what is the difference between while loop and for loop? Both are entry control statements. Both are used to execute a set of statements until and unless a particular condition have to be satisfied. So that means for loop is also going to execute a set of statements until and unless a condition is going to be satisfied. Similarly, while loop is also going to be executed a set of statements until and unless a particular condition have to be satisfied. Then what is the difference? So in the interview point of view, few points is there. So for loop is a little bit fast while compared to while loop. For loop is little bit fast while compared to while loop. Why it is fast? Why it is fast? Why it is fast means, so the initialization, condition and iteration, all the things is going to be there in a single statement. All the initialization, condition and iteration is in the single statement. So but while we go to while loop, in the while loop the initialization is outside of the while loop, then while condition is there and iteration is at last of the while loop. Like this it will be in the different places. So that's why if a particular set of statements like this, if I am going to execute a number of statements like 4 statements I will take, so that is going to be give to the for loop. At the same time I am going to give the while loop. It is going to be calculated in 2 nanoseconds. For example, the execution of these 4 statements in 2 nanoseconds, it is going to be takes 4 nanoseconds of a time. So both are same, but for loop is little bit faster while compared to the while loop. That is the first difference. So many people will ask the question regarding what? Regarding, so why should we use for loop? Why should we use while loop? Why can't we use only for loop? So please eliminate while loop, sir, like this. So many persons will ask that particular question. The answer for that is while loop is also essential in a certain cases. So where? So in for loop we are giving the iteration. So in the while loop we are not going to be provide iteration statement. So there may be the statement which leads to iteration. The statement which leads to iteration. For example, if you want to develop a program like reverse of a number, we are going to use while loop. If you want to perform a palindrome of a number, we are simply use the while loop. So we are generally go for the while loop for those kind of programs. In normally so many kinds of programs for iteration purpose, for fastness of the execution, we will go for the for loop. Okay, that is the basic difference. Okay, that is the basic difference. So many people you can choose for loop or while loop. Both are entry conditional control structures. These will be execute a block of statements or a collection of statements until and unless a particular condition or set of conditions have to be satisfied. So that is about the